Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, last week of July heading into August, and we just continue to grind, right? New all-time high, 30.29.5. We put that in Friday. We talked about how the 9-day remains support. We came down to test the daily mid-band a week before that on the 19th. That held up on Monday. It never really looked back. And what you're seeing here in Globex is you're not seeing a lot of interest in pushing things down in a meaningful way. That tells me the grind higher is just going to continue. The Bollinger Bandwidth remains extremely tight. You're talking about a Bollinger Bandwidth of about 2.25 and change at the moment here, as of 8 a.m. Eastern on Monday morning. So we're compressing as we head to the upside. When expansion comes, and I think it's not imminent, but it'll come eventually, because that's how markets trade, you could really see a big lift to the upside unless the bears can convert this mid-band and keep it converted as resistance. The longer this go back to the 9-day and hold, go back to the mid-band and hold, as long as that continues to be the modus operandi of this tape, we will just chew up, we will continue to chew to the upside, 30-30, 30-50, and then all of a sudden, we're trading another big round number. The bears have got to apply themselves at the key areas like the 9-day and the 20-day. My bigger issue with the bears is that they are back to their typical scenario where, absent news, they have very little ability to move the tape sustainably. You can get a trade going, but you got to cover, look to buy the dip, and back up you go. Unless they get some news that really changes the framework of the tape, sustaining downside is going to be tough, especially this time of year. Hourly chart. Just a microcosm of what we've seen. Pull back, you get the higher low there, you climb up on top of the daily pivot and the hourly mid-band, you do it again. Daily pivot has held up overnight. You see your new weekly pivot coming in at 3,008 and change. They dealt with, last week they dealt with a weekly pivot Monday into Tuesday. Once it made up its mind as we went into the Tuesday open, you just got this slow grind to the upside. And the all-time highs, you just keep making them. So you want the bears to be successful? Break down out of this little compression, convert here, go to work on weekly pivot, and turn weekly pivot into resistance. If you do that, you'll have sustainable downside. Where's the ultimate destination? To begin with, the ultimate destination for any downside would be 3,000 to 3,002. That's your 9-day. Daily mid-band is coming in around 98. But absent that happening, you're just going to continue to see these stairs to the upside. All right, everybody have a great day. Off the open, keep an eye on 3023. You've got volume-weighted average prices sitting there. Our proprietary upper level is sitting there from Friday, and that's all in the area of that hourly mid-band. All right, take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.